Right now, we are checking in with Colleen to see what's going on in terms of this storm down there. Colleen, it's getting stronger and bringing a lot more rain.
Yeah, Dave, this will likely be a hurricane, Melissa, within the next 12 to 24 hours. The problem with Melissa is how stationary it has been. It's only been moving 1 to 2 miles per hour. So basically staying on top of this spot where it's bringing heavy prolonged rainfall and winds to South Hispaniola, and then it will start up for Jamaica soon. Jamaica has actually been drier as of recently, and that's because on the western side there's been shear. But the storm is becoming stronger, better structured. Jamaica and southern Hispaniola, I should say, facing the worst impacts here. Emphasis on Jamaica. Catastrophic, flash flooding and landslides are likely throughout this weekend into early next week. And Cuba and Bahamas, anybody that has interest in those places needs to pay attention to this forecast because eventually Melissa will head that way as well. Here's the latest stats on Tropical Storm Melissa. As of 5 p.m., it has 65-mile-per-hour winds. The pressure is down to 995 millibars, showing signs of intensifying, and it's still moving north at 2 miles per hour. Very slow movement here. That is a large part of the problem. You can see there's hurricane watches in effect for Jamaica and southern Hispaniola, mainly for Haiti, and also they have some tropical storm warnings in effect as well. This is going into tomorrow, where it will be a hurricane by that point. Likely a Category 2 now. And then as we move into the end of the weekend, it will be a major hurricane, Category 3 or stronger. Now notice the latest cone by the National Hurricane Center has this making landfall for Jamaica and a possible second landfall in Cuba. This is not looking good for Jamaica at all. There's no other way to put it. Plans need to come to completion fairly soon, within the next day or so, for our friends in Jamaica when it comes to protecting life and property. This is not a storm that will impact us here at home. This is a Caribbean storm. The forecast rainfall for Jamaica and southern Hispaniola, especially Haiti and Dominican Republic too, within the next couple days, 15 to 20 inches easily. Some areas will absolutely gather more than that. Now, depending on the landfall in Jamaica, some places could receive less rainfall depending on where the center of the storm eventually wants to go. Still a little time for some wobbles and wiggles in the forecast, but the areas highlighted in the pink and the white, that's where they will receive more than 2 feet of rain at least. As we look at our local weather here, we have some storms that are out to the west. Why do I bring them up? Well, because eventually this is associated with a low pressure system that will swing our way, bringing some rain coverage to our area come Sunday and Monday. Not expecting severe weather out of this. Nice and dry for now. It will be a pleasant night. Here's another look at the futurecast. It's comfy, it's breezy. We have highs in the mid to upper 80s the next couple days. Humidity will begin to increase as well as the cloud cover comes Sunday, and that's because we have some moisture building into our region ahead of that low that will be sweeping through. Few showers likely on the East Coast, but that low doesn't arrive until about Monday timeline. After that system pushes through, we have a breath of fresh air on the way. Look at this. Our temperatures really cool down fast. By the time we enter into Halloween, we're looking at daytime highs in the mid 70s. That's usually a morning low for this time of year. So yes, it will feel refreshing. By the way, Monday highlighted in red for our weather impact alert due to some rain after a stretch of drier days.